Welcome to the Turntide motor controller installation video. The recommended and most common location for the motor controller is in the blower compartment. This location ensures the controller is not exposed to the weather and is convenient when servicing the unit. In many cases, mounting the controller upside down results in easier access to the wire terminal during installation and any future servicing. Motor controllers may be mounted in any position.
However, the SL160 series motor controllers, when available, must be mounted in a vertical orientation. Take care not to penetrate an exterior panel with the mounting screws.
While there are several mounting options available for the motor controller, it is not designed for exposure to the weather. If, for some reason, an appropriate mounting location is not available, the controller may be mounted inside a NEMA 3 enclosure within 100 feet of the motor. Avoid locations with excessive vibration, moisture, electromagnetic interference, and explosive or corrosive vapors.